Welcome to the instruction video on how to change your magnet switch. When the magnet switch is not working, there are two possibilities. Either the switch is broken or the cable is damaged. First, test if the cable is not damaged by feeling the cable and also look for damages. If the cable is undamaged, we need to replace the switch. Let's go deeper in this procedure. To create space, we remove the arms. Remove the 4 screws on the panel plate. As a reminder for later, take a picture on how the wires are connected. Now we will replace the old magnet switch for a new one. Disassemble the wiring. Push the 4 clips of the switch in, so the magnet switch comes loose. Then push in the new switch. Use your picture to make sure you wire the cables correctly. Mount the panel plate back to the frame. Plug in the machine, put the machine on a piece of metal and turn on the magnet switch. When the sensor light turns green, your magnet is working correct and you did a great job replacing the switch. Before you start drilling, make sure you put the arms back on. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel to see more videos.